through. It seems like years, time keeps dragging along, and forever's feeling gone. Still I can figure what's wrong. I still do anything for you. I play your game. You hurt me through and through, but you can have your way. I can pretend each time I see you that I don't care and I don't need you, but you'll never see me crying. You know inside I feel like dying, and I'd do anything for you. In spite of it all, I've learned so much from you. You've made me strong. Don't you ever think that I don't love you? Although I made it, I forgot to. And sometimes things don't work out right, and you just have to say goodbye. I want to find someone to please you, someone who cares and never leave you. And if there's someone ever hurts you, you just might need a friend to turn to. And I'd do anything for you, and give you up. That's what I should do to make you happy. I can pretend each time I see you that I don't care and I don't need you. Although inside I feel like dying, you know you'll never see me crying. Don't you ever think that I don't love you? Although I made it, I forgot to. But sometimes things don't work out right, and you just have to say goodbye. Say goodbye.
Hindi ko palabot, ikaw na naman ah. Ayan, sa'yo na yan ha. Ayan, here we are. Maganda din yan. Here we are.
Ayan ang kanta mo, Lola.
That's it's hard to make things clear. Know when to face the truth, and I know that the moment is here. I'll open my heart and show you inside. My love has no pride.
Di ba, Dad? Ay, ito mo na akong pants na kasi ako.
So open your eyes.
Di ba, sabi ka na natawa ko eh. Di ba?
See who I am, and not who you want from me. I am only myself. Don't wanna lose you now. We're gonna get through somehow. I don't wanna lose you now. Forever. Baby, I finally found courage to stand my ground. But if you want me, I'll be around forever. We all make mistakes. All lose our way, but we still
ba?
Kinalabas na talaga yung ano. Wala ka talaga, Jessa. Style bulong. Style bulong.
Ay, ito na lang yung Superwoman.
Sige, kantahin mo yan.
Dalawa tayo.
Puno na yung ano, camera.